new old stock Vortex Venom, and it's pretty much broken out of box. Great. Didn't even survive the trip to the range. We'll see if it works. I don't have high hopes. Vortex kind of sucks. Huh? What the hell? So the two hanger fires at 50, actually only shot one low and left. That's a little bit better than the iron sights. And this was me trying to sight it in. I was shooting low, I had to walk it up. These two were the last two shots, and I noticed the optic plate moving around. And at 100, that's pretty abysmal, but these are M80 pull down bullets, no surprise there. And as you can see, that was one of the groups all the way to the left because the optic plate moved. And the same thing, that one's on the left side, because this one's got two overlaps on it. So definitely need to make that shimmed up tighter. Womp womp.